Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. So the garden swale is coming together. I had to throw up some chicken wire around it because something was munching on my sunflowers. So these are all sunflowers that should help break up this clay. These are mammoth sunflowers, so they can get like 12 feet tall. And they're looking pretty good. I just planted these a couple days ago. I'm way behind on everything. Yesterday, I got this okra in the ground. So this is all okra here. I got another bed ready to go. And I think tomatillos are going in here real soon. Got a lot of stuff around the corner. See, I had to fence it because something got in there. I think it was a rabbit. I got this going around the corner. So we got squash. Somehow these aren't getting water. I gotta fix that. I got better drip line now. So obviously Swiss chard that something was eating on. Figured I'd just try and plant enough that I get some and they get some. But there are traps in here. There's gophers in here too. We got broccoli, watermelons, more broccoli, more watermelons, broccoli. These are all cantaloupes, and something was really munching on these. This, I'm pretty sure, is a pumpkin. Yep, pumpkin. There's a little pumpkin in there. So I was hoping it would grow out this way. And eventually, see, there's going to be a gate. So this is all going to be fenced in here, all the way down to over here. There'll be another gate right here between these two trees, so you can see it, so I can get at the compost pile over there. And I am probably going to put another swale in here. And if I can't get rid of the gophers, I'm switching over to homemade raised beds. I'll just make raised beds and go from there. But this is what the garden swale looks like right now. And I am so far behind. Only got 2 rows planted. And I got about, I don't know, 100 tomatoes that aren't in the ground. Although I'm eating some cherry tomatoes right now. These ones are getting ripe. I've had a couple of those already. But I got all these tomatoes to get in the ground. Somebody give me some Bulgarian tomatoes. I got more peppers to get in the ground. I got tomatillos and basil. I got a lot. And no time to do it. But it'll get done sooner or later. Maybe we'll have an Indian summer. It's the high desert. So that's an update on the garden swale. The lower garden's doing all right. I think I got a couple zucchinis near ready already. So there's beets down there. There's all kinds of stuff. Do that one on the next one. Adios. God bless.